Okay. It's now fine.
We're going to ask the question, where are you going to travel this year? And we're
this year.
yes,
Oh, yes.
right. We're going to have
I going to Viro.
very nice.
Wow.
That's great to know. We should include that in our list of options. And our options are going to be these four places. And I'm going to ask Joseph if you would read the names of these places in Hebrew. I haven't translated them in English. I've just given you pictures. For example, our first destination, number 1. Would you like to pronounce that one for us, Joseph?
Yes. Arsot Habrit.
Beautiful. So you might recognize the word Eretz, which means land. We've had that. So Artsot means lands. It's the plural. And interestingly, Habrit means the covenant. Now, why they decided to give the United States the name Lands of the Covenant, I am not entirely sure, because I think we both understand that Israel is the land of the covenant. But nevertheless, that's the name of the USA, Artsot Habrit, and very nicely pronounced at that. If it's possible, I think you might reduce your volume just slightly, Joseph. It's a little bit on the loud side.
My audio.
Yeah, your audio could be just a little quiet, just a tiny bit quieter, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. How about number 2? And let's see if we can identify this place.
Darom Africa.
Very nice. Do you have an idea of what we're talking about?
South Africa.
Yes, of course.
Oh.
And then your next destination, Joseph, number 3?
Yareach.
Well done. You remember to put the patach before the chet. So your third option is to travel to Yareach. You might need a spaceship for that one. And then your last option will be very near and dear to Maya. Here's your last choice, Joseph, for your destination.
Finland.
Yes.
Finland.
There you go. Does this country look familiar to you, Maya?
Yes.
Okay, I'm glad.
Yeah.
We have, let's see, we have Helsinki, Imatra, Turku, Vasa.
Yeah, but no Kuopio. No, there is no Kuopio there. But my hometown where I born was Kemi.
Okay.
Here.
Okay, good. I see Kemi.
Kemi, yeah. I am
Kemi.
from Kemi, yes.
Very nice. Very nice.
North Finland.
Okay, North Finland. Wonderful.
Yeah.
The exercise is given the name Tochniut Tiul, which means travel plans. Tochniut means plans, and Tiul means travel. And we're going to learn how to ask, where will you travel this year, in Hebrew. Joseph, could you continue to teach us by reading the question, where will you travel this year?
Okay. Okay, sorry.
No, you got it right. We have a masculine form and a feminine form. So I have both masculine and feminine here. That's why I have the slash.
So for masculine, it will be Lman Tisa
Right.
Hashana.
Right.
For
Exactly
feminine,
right.
for feminine, it will be Lian Tish Hashana.
Very nice. Le'an tis'i hashana. If we're addressing Maya, we would ask Le'an tis'i hashana, because we would use the feminine form of nosea or nasa. The root is actually interesting, Gideon, because it's one of these that has the nun that drops out. And we've seen that shoresh a few times, nun samech ayin, but in the conjugated forms, the nun frequently drops out. And Joseph, you'll be interested to know that this dagesh in the samech
Yes.
indicates that there's a missing letter from the root, and it indicates that the nun is missing, and that's why we put the dot in the samech as an indication that the nun has dropped out. It's le'an tisa or le'an tisi hashana. Where will you travel this year? Gideon, the responses will always begin with ani esa, whether it's a man or a woman responding. Esa is the future tense of nasa. Esa, I will travel. I plan to travel. So we would go ani esa la Finland, right, to la Finland, la Arzot Habrit, la Yareach, to the moon. I will travel to the moon, or la Darom Afrika. So Gideon, I'm going to ask you kindly, le'an tisa hashana. Where will you travel this year, Gideon?
Ani Esala Arzot Havrit.
Wow, Yofi, Tov Ma'od. Do you already have your visa?
Yes.
Very good. Congratulations. You can stay at my house.
Yeah.
I won't charge you too much.
Yeah, we are friends. You cannot charge me anything.
Oh. Joseph, kindly,
Yes.
le'antisa hashana. Le'antisa hashana.
Ani asa la Finland.
Oh, very nice. You can visit with
When I go to visit Maija.
with Maya. Very nice. So let's ask Maya. Maya, le'an tis'i hashana. Where will you travel this year?
Yeah.
And the response.
I cannot say in Hebrew, but I will travel to September to Viro. Do you know Viro?
No, I don't.
Viro is near Finland.
Oh, okay.
But how say in
an island?
How say in English?
Viro. An island.
No, Viro.
Okay. Very nice.
Anyway.
Okay.
Finnish is Viro, anyway.
Very nice. Yeah. The second part of the exercise is to ask, when will we be journeying, Gideon? And we ask that with the word matai. Matai means when. So first we ask le'an tisa, where are you traveling? Where are you journeying to? And now we ask Matai Tisa, when will you travel? So Joseph asked of Gideon Matai Tisa.
Gideon, Matai Tisa.
Yes.
And Gideon,
Ani.
right?
Okay. Ani esa la kaib. Kaib.
Nice, kites, summer. Joseph, Matai Tisa.
Ani esa holef.
Bachoref. We
Ani
have to have,
esa ba holef.
nice, and that's a resh, choref, bachoref.
Ba
The
choref.
resh. There we go, very nice. Very nice. Why don't you guys query me on where I'm going to travel and when? Joseph, do you want to query Mwalimu?
Yes.
Do you
Rabbi?
understand Eesti?
I'm
Viro,
sorry.
do you understand Eesti? Eesti is country near Finland. Eesti.
Okay, I'm not very good at geography, but I will definitely study my maps and learn these places.
Yeah. All right.
Rabbi, le'an tisa hasana.
Hasana.
Hashana ani esa layareach.
טוב, יפה. יפה מאוד.
Matai
And now,
tisa.
ani esa layareach bachoref. So that's just a nice opportunity to use our reading skills and also our listening skills in more of a modern context, and it activates a different part of our brain. And both Joseph, both you and Gideon have a real nice feel now for these exercises, and it's great to have Maya sharing also her plans with us. So nice job on this exercise. We actually have a rather small group tonight for whatever reason. I think Joseph and Gideon, why don't we take advantage of the time to do some more advanced recitation? We've been doing work when we have time in what's known as the Brown level. Maya, would you be able to mute your audio because there's a little bit of feedback coming through? Could you